You come now.
I'll shut this so it doesn't have comes in. You coming out? Come on then. You coming out? You gonna be good?
Come on, baby. Come on.
Good boy. Clever boy. Yeah, you're the baby. You baby. Are you the baby? Hey? Baby? Where's mommy? You say mommy. Baby? Well, can you say mommy? Babe. Is Gemma a babe? Huh? A baby? Why? What have you got to say to her? Hey? What have you got to say to her, Snaps? Snaps? What have you got to say to her? What have you got to say to Gemma? Huh? What have you got to say to Gemma? Huh? Tell her then. Tell her. What have you got to say? What have you got to say? What's that? What is it? Are you the star of the show? Huh? It's frightened of you, Bubble. Diddly diddly diddly. Are you going to say something? Snaps? Oh, does that taste nice? Huh? Does it taste nice?
I don't know. You can say baby.
Say baby. Say
Baby.
baby. Mommy. Baby.
Babe. Babe.
Just happy that he's out, isn't he?
Mm.
Where you going? Hey. Hey, little man. Where's me baby? Kiss, kiss. Give us a kiss. Snaps. Kissy. Kissy. Good boy. Come here, kiss. Good boy. Clever boy, yes. You okay?
I should have tried him with this, that was the way.
Huh?
I should have tried him with this.
I don't want to have that. Will ya? No. Oh, you want to be on there? Go on then. You're going to have a crawl. What are you going to get? Huh? What are you going to get? Go and get the biscuits in. Go on.
You can get them. You get the biscuits in.
Come on then. Are you coming? Are you going to get some biscuits? Go on then. Get the biscuits.
How's that even nice to you? How's that even nice to it?
Doesn't really, it's just playing around with it, won't eat it, so it's just spat it out on my foot. You just spat that out on my foot. Snaps. Hey, are you coming? You coming back? Good boy. Come back to Mum. Kissies. Good boy. Good boy. Tell Gemma to sing a song for you. Ah, don't shit on us. Tell Gemma to sing a song for you. And you sing with her. You going to sing with her? You like Elvis, don't you? Well, I don't think that's bloody Elvis. It's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
No, you could have sung it that way.
Is that the way you sing it? Huh? You like Elvis, don't you? Do you like Elvis? Tell Gemma to sing your Elvis song.
I don't know. Well,
The clock by the bed is ticking, too loud in the quiet night.
the only songs I know is just a big band, and I don't think you'll know that.
By the bed. Wait, Gemma's just messed my song up. Ah, got my nose. You didn't have to get me nose. I've just had that done. The clock by the bed is ticking. You look at me. Too loud in the quiet night. I lie in the darkness thinking I must go before it's light. Before you open up your eyes and you beg me to stay, I'll leave. So I can't stand to see you hurt this way. You made us go all,
Have you noticed Simon Cowell is dyed his hair?
Aye, I didn't notice that before. What have you got to say? What have you got to say? Eh? boop. Where's Gemma? Where's Gemma at?
Me, Gemma.
Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Well, you sing then. I've got a sore throat, a bad nose, you sing it. Get off me Elvis watch. You sing it. You sing a song. What? Sing. Dance. 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 Sing. Bah. 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 What? Whip. What? Bah. You dancing? Wanna sing? Dancing and sing. Sing then. What? Does that look like a bloody song? What? What, baby? What's Jenny doing? What? 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 Sing then. You gonna sing? The clock by the bed is ticking. Too loud in the quiet night. I lie in the darkness thinking I must go before it's light. Before you open up your eyes and you beg me to stay, I'll leave so I can stand to see you hurt this way. Sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Boo! I knew the time was coming,
Having your hiccups
and
twice.
our love would end somehow. I just couldn't bear to tell you exactly just when or how. I know we can go on, that it was wrong to start, but if you wake up crying now, it would break my heart. Oh, sleep, my love. Do you not jump? Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. It jumped away.
Do you ever wonder what birds are thinking?
Probably think I want to get your snout. You want to go back down there then? Go on then. It's your last chance. Are you going to say something? Or Gemma turn the camera off? Yes?
It's a beep.
You going to say beep?
Beep. Beep. I wonder what you do with this when you can't.
Well, just run away. All I'm doing is partner's like frightening him because he... But I wouldn't let that run too long, you know what I mean? Now I'll just turn off.